Good morning student. Today we discuss 2.5 from third sum. Clear? So you have to express 5 centimeter in meter and kilometer. So firstly you have to clear one thing, that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Clear? So same pattern we will follow in our exercise. You have 5 centimeter and you have to change into meter and kilometer. So write down this. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Again this has a 100 centimeter also, so this one is the same. When 100 centimeter also, so multiply this term with the 100 also, so 204 to the centimeter term. Clear? So you have 5 centimeter, so firstly change it into a meter, so divide with the 100, and I think you can put the decimal point very easily. There are 2 zeros, so leave the 2 digit and take a decimal point. Then next is the 5 centimeter, and there is a 5 zeros there, in that mean 1 lakh, so divide it with the 1 lakh. You got 5 digit, means you have a 50, so leave the 5 digit 1 2 3 4 5 and put the decimal point there. Then next is express 35 millimeter in centimeter, meter and kilometer. Then 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. This term also keep in mind. Then when you change this into a centimeter, so divide by the 10. Same when you are changing this into a meter, so divided by to the when you are millimeter is there, so this one, look here, that is 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. And when you are changing it with into a millimeter, so 2 0 are for the centimeter and 1 0 are for to the millimeter, so it will become 1000 millimeter. Again 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. When you are changing into a centimeter, so 204 to the centimeter, and when you are changing this centimeter into a millimeter, then 104 to the millimeter. So there will be total 6 zeros, 34 to the meter, 24 to the centimeter and 14 to the millimeter. Clear? So same pattern will be followed there. 35 that is 35 by 10, so 3.5. when you are changing it millimeter into a meter, so you will divide it with the 1000, and when you are changing into a kilometer, you will divide with this one. Clear? Means that is a 10 lakh. Same pattern will be followed there. The next express into a kilometer, that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So we will divide it with the 1000. You are given to the 200 gram, so divided with the 1000, you will change into a kilogram. Same thing, divide into the 1000, same. Then 4 kilogram and 8 gram. 4 is already in kilogram, so you don't need to change it, but we will change 8 gram, so divided by the 1000. So on decimal you got this, and then divide it, add to this both term. The next is write into the expanded form. You are given 2.03. Clear? Before that you have no decimal terms into the expanded form, but now you have two decimal terms also. Before to the decimal point, the pattern is same that you have to follow in your earlier classes, that unit place should be multiplied with the 1, 10 place will be multiplied with the 10. Clear? But after the decimal point we will divide the term, mean that is the tens, means you will divide it with the 10, and that 3 will be divided by the 100. If there is by chance any other terms also, then that will be divided by the 1000. Clear? So same pattern will be followed in your exercise also. You are given to the this one term. Let I don't take to the this example, I am taking this one example. Clear? So decimal is there, so that is multiply with the 1, that is multiply with the 10, and that is multiply with the 100. Clear? Now come there, that should be divided by with the 10, that should be divided by with the 100, that should be divided by with the 1000, increase 1 0 in next term, and that should be divided by with the 10,000. Then how will you express it? 1 multiply 100 plus 4 multiply 10 plus 2 multiply 1 plus 1 by 10 plus 2 by 100 plus 3 by 1000 plus 4 by 10,000. So that is the method to express it into a expanded form. So same pattern is followed there. If by chance there is a 0, then you skip the term. For example, you are given 200.03, so you don't need to express this. Now come on directly there. So 2 multiply with the 100 plus, so if you have a 0, then you don't need to express it. Clear? So you will multiply 2 with the 100 because that is your 100th digit. Again you have a 0 there, so you don't need to express it. Now come on to the 3, and 3 is divided by the 100, so that is the pattern. Clear? Now come on to the sixth sum. Write the place value of 2 in the following. Mean you have to write down to the place value. So 2 means that is on to the ones place, then there is on tens place, so multiply with the 10, means 10, you go to 2 multiply 10 is 20, and that is your tens place, and that is your 10th place. Okay, and that is your 100th place, and here that is your 1000th place. Mean when you have before to the decimal, then you say simple 100, but when you are have after to the decimal point, then you write down 1000th, th will there. Clear? The next is a seventh sum. You are given Dinesh cover a distance, he will goes from A to B and then B to C, and A to B is given 7.5 and that is 12.7. then how we will add to the 7.5? Then on the decimal, just write below to the decimal, write down the decimal point, and you have 12, so that will be 12.5. now add these 5 5 10, carry will be 1, 8 plus 2 10, carry will be 1 and 2, that is 20. Then Ayub cover the distance AD to DC, then add these two also, then this one 21.5, that is greater than this one, so he will cover a more distance. Clear? Then same pattern you will follow into the next sum also. Now come on to the exercise 2.6. it's very easy. Firstly you will change the decimal terms into a, so we will discuss this exercise in your next video.